Hi, my name is Alison Mosshart, and I'm excited to read to you today from my book Karma. This is it. And the first piece I'd like to read to you is called Windows Up. Boy always smoked with the windows up before giving it up. Always made it so it was a bubble. His world. Thus, our world. The world. A bubble full of smoke rushing down the highway like the highway was his, and the engine he built, and the oil he pulled from the earth himself. And we were passengers in this. In it to win it, and this bubble paid for in cash. Often bullish with his foot. Under that black alligator boot, suns rose and fell and lands flew by. And nothing was permanent because permanence wasn't important, nor was it fast enough. Pink whip. Even the soul who parks that pink whip at the YMCA parking. Even the soul who parks that pink whip at the YMCA. Even the soul who parks that pink whip at the YMCA parking lot has a YMCA membership. YMCA. Has a YMCA membership and works it. Wants to feel the burn. Wants a hot body. Under that great suit, behind those dark sunglasses. Down here in Nashville, where the city slick of the north mixes with the sassy kink of the south. Like slow spun cotton candy is both hard and soft. Sweaty and sticky as he drives her home. LA. I have mixed feelings about you. I love you. Love like the way someone falls for someone they've never met. Obsessed, pathetic, eager. Clueless, easy love. You amuse me and suntan me against my will through my windshield. I think about you a lot, with one eyebrow up. A city of movies. You look like the movies. Your light is toxically cool. I've never been in the movies. Maybe one day I'll be in the movies and we'll become close. Kiss on camera close. And that kind of egotastic, dry, sarcastic, funny, not funny, brush fire kind of way I hear so many people say they love LA. This is a really terrible way that I'm doing this. It's just, that doesn't even, oh my God. Louisiana, S-Town, 2013. You were just so easy. If we had a kid, it would never cry. Just wavy. Fuck me. Just wave your bandana down in Louisiana, baby, and I'll be there. Good and pickled liver, yet we'll just live forever. And I'll wait for you by the river in the red and orange casino. You know I don't gamble. I just like smoking in the air conditioning and the 24-hour lights on you. Roadkill is like little Persian rugs, little bearskin throws, little swaths of natural fabric, little tears of mohair sweater, little samples of cotton polyester, little cuts of living room carpet, little trims of indoor-outdoor, little clown wigs on the ground, little peach fuzz on the chin, little slices of smoke-stained beard, little threads of human weave, little mohawk on the freeway, little crew cuts in the right lane, little pigtails off the exit, little French braids at the stoplight. Dyed, 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 dyed. Pillar bucks red. Returning the screw. This ghost you call me, the me oh my, the life you saw me speeding by, wrangled by cowboys, baited like fish, dripping like ice cream down somebody's wrist. This ghost you call me, the you know who, the night you caught me speeding through, without my decoys, wheels in a ditch, naked and angry, dirty and pissed. This ghost you call me, doing what I do. The outlaw's Harley, the other shoe. It sure haunts you badly, wearing that perfume. You make it easy to feel the moon. This ghost you call me knows your tune, amplifies it, feedback loop, right back at you so flowers bloom and every violet hell breaks loose. I'll drive all night. I'll drive straight through. Anything to return the screw. Okay. Stop.